Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. I would like to welcome you all in my morning session, Rise with Raman. We had a beautiful, amazing helicopter ride. 4 helicopters, almost 20 team members. We are here in Port Erie at the launch of Discoverie. It is one of the most amazing projects right next to Port Erie Lake. Just walking distance. 75% units are water facing. See you soon!
I just wanted to say, on top of everybody, thank you so much for making the time today to come down here. We are so looking forward to working with all of you and your extended teams, as I'm sure you all have, to make this a huge success. So I'm very excited to present to you officially the Discoverie. I know Lashika has been doing an incredible job bringing you all up to speed to get a show, or there's all kinds of incredible events that happen in Niagara. It's like the mini Las Vegas.
We have an incredible project and we're really excited to be involved with you guys on this, and thank you for all coming down by helicopter to this exciting event. So thanks everyone, and I'm going to pass it over to Cass.
Wow.
We have a really unique, thanks to Jeff Andrews, bowling alley. That is a great concept, a very social experience that residents will be able to have, along with a absolutely gorgeous party room that walks out onto our 9th floor rooftop patio, which if you've seen the plan, which is actually right beside me, there's a plethora of things that you can do out there, whether it be yoga in the morning, hosting a little family dinner.
So both these brands carry the same values, the same thought process, the same understanding of the business. So you can be rest assured when you are selling the Discoveries to any of your clients. First of all, we are working for our clients. We're gonna make sure they get the best product. And the indication you can get from this beautiful sales center. I did not expect it's gonna be such a warm and welcoming atmosphere over here, but I can definitely see, and you can see like the kind of arrangements what Sebastian and his team done. It's very thoughtful, guys. It's very, I should say a personal thanks to you, Sebastian, for making all this arrangement. And tomorrow we're gonna have a lot more team members who will be coming and joining here.
Team Gilbaidi at Discoverie.
diagonally from south to north. We will be looking over the QEW, but at a much higher elevation.
This is the building. Again, it's a 12-story building, so as she was explaining the views.
What an incredible experience to launch this wonderful project in Fort Erie. Yesterday, helicopter rides, 4 choppers flying with Team SaveMax coming from Bolton to Fort Erie. And today, more than 250 team members came here and they looked at the project. They enjoyed all the details. They went for the walk, looked at Fort Erie and checked the details about the project. Guys, this is the project to invest. If you want to book up your unit, please come visit us in Fort Erie on the sales center. We are open 7 days, 10 to 5 p.m. and you can book up your time. The most important stuff about this project is you are getting the best deposit structure. Only 5% deposit in 2022, 5% in 2023 and 5% in 2024. That too in easy installment of 2.5%. The closing for the project is in September 2025. Also, you have a lot of potential for Airbnb. What you have to do to book up the unit? Just come and visit us at this beautiful sales center in Fort Erie. Get in touch with us. The contact details is 647-221-5780. The Discovery in Fort Erie.